Now we are moving to the next speaker, who is Emanda Worku, which topic is called Diversity and Production of Macrofungi Associated with Pinus radiata Plantations in Menagesa Suba State Forest, Central Ethiopia. So let's go. Yeah. It's better to move
with this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you all of you to give me this chance. This is my second golden chance to have presentation in Young Forester. So my topic is diversity and production of microfungi associated with Pinus radiata in Menagesha Supa. My super advisor is Professor Pablo Martini and Dr. Tatak. Okay, this is my outline I should have to follow. Okay. Deforestation and degradation is a long process in Ethiopia. So as a result of this, the exotic tree like Pinus radiata come to picture. Why we are selecting about Pinus radiata? Because it has fast growing and also it...
Talk to the microphone because we are streaming.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So, deforestation and degradations have, okay. Deforestation and degradation is a continuous process in Ethiopia. As a result of this, we are adopting to the exotic tree like Pinus radiata. Why we are looking Pinus radiata? Because it has fast growing and it is easy for Pinus radiata to adopt different agroclimatic zone. So, Pinus are obligated to create association with fungi. It's mandatory for Pinus radiata due to its have impact of productions and also for survival of Pinus radiata. Why? Because in order to uptaking of nutrient and water have helps by association of fungi. So the rotation period of Pinus radiata is up to 30, up to 14 in another place. But the strange things happen in Ethiopia. The rotation period of Pinus radiata is up to 26, up to 13. In addition to that, the management system of Pinus radiata in Ethiopia is clear cutting, which means cutting off everything and replanting. So this may have impact for microfungi. So, however, this impact is not yet studied. As a result of this, my main objective is to characterize fungi, microfungi of Pinus radiata according to the age class, which means 5, 14, and 28 age class of Pinus radiata. And the second thing is to explain fungal composition according to the edaphic factors. Okay, the specific objective, which means evaluation of microfungi succession based on richness, diversity, and abundance. Is there any difference between the age groups in terms of diversity, in terms of abundance, and in terms of richness? The other thing is to examine the spirocarp biomass yield. Is there any difference between the age? Okay. The other thing is to identify, explain the edaphic variable in terms of the fungal taxa composition. Is there the soil matter, the composition of fungi? We will see. This is welcome to Ethiopia. This is the study area, Ethiopia and the Oromia regions. The study area is found Menagesha Suba. It is 36 kilometers far apart from the city center. Okay, so to do that, how I took sample in order to taking off the spirocarp sample and the soil composite, just we were preparing the plot, 2 by 15 plots. So looking to collect the spiral sampling and also the soil composite. Okay, so taxa identification. The specimen of the taxa were identified by using of microscope identification. The taxa and the author, the updated taxa and author name is found by the link of microbanks. The edibility is the microfungi is edible or not. We use the Bonnet classification and the ecological function, which means is that saprophytic or mycorrhiza or ectomycorrhiza. So based on the Bonnet et al., we use classification of the ecological function. Analysis. We use the index of Shannon diversity index, and also we use R to analyze the diversity, and also the linear mixed effect used to assess is there any production difference or not. And the other thing is the ordination analysis is used, and the prime ANOVA used to evaluate the effects of the composition, and also mental test was used. Either the age is the main governance of the microfungi or the soil. The result, so totally 92 taxa were found, which means the area is too much potential, because there is another study in central parts of Ethiopia. They found only 52 taxas, so we can see that their area is too much potential. And the composition is dominated by saprophytic fungi, and only 80% of among the fungi is ectomycorrhizal. Okay, this is the main taxa were found from the place. These two, Agaricus, Lipsta, Morchella. This is the exported one to Mexico. Okay, so what's the influence of age? In terms of richness and abundance. So as you see the picture, there is no any significant difference in terms of species richness. But there is significant difference in terms of abundance. Generally, we can say that when we are moving from the young age to the old age, the species richness and the abundance increases according to the age. This thing is similar to the other works, similar result we were found. Okay. The Shannon diversity index shows that there is no significant difference between the age, but there is significant difference according to the production of fungi. Okay, in terms of composition, is there any difference? Yes, there is significant difference in terms of compositions. In addition to that, the mental test shows that the age are more governed than the edaphic factor of the microfungi. Okay, this is a detail. So, in addition to that, from the soil, organic matter more has the correlation with in terms of richness and in terms of diversity. Okay, this shows that the composition of the fungi is governed by soil. More saprophytic fungi is found in the old stand, because it seems when the stand is old, the canopy cover is more closed. So this creates for fungi, this creates a situation more having good condition, moisture content, and good host for fungi. That's why. Okay, conclusion. So, in terms of fulfilling of the timber and non-timber products, we should have to study the difference of or the influence of age according to the microfungi. In addition to that, the management system, which means retention of the tree, is very important rather than preferring, because when we are putting some patches, that's very, very important to keeping of some inculator of microfungi for the next generation. And also, it's possible for us to attain more diversity and production. This is acknowledgement. This is my amazing professors, so I should have to say thank you for them. This also helps us in terms of tax identifications. Thank you, all of you. If you have any question. Wait.